CD19 CAR T-cell therapy, revolutionizing cancer treatment, inspired by Dr. Michel Sadelain's Living Drugs. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Nerd Nucleus. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking innovation in cancer treatment, CD19 CAR T-cell therapy. Inspired by the pioneering work of Dr. Michel Sadelain and his concept of living drugs, this therapy represents the frontier of personalized cancer treatment. If you're curious about how the immune system can be engineered to defeat cancer, you're in for a treat. Let's break it all down, step by step. Segment 1. What is CAR T-cell therapy? Before we get into CD19 CAR T-cell therapy, let's first understand CAR T-cell therapy itself. CAR stands for chimeric antigen receptor, a synthetic receptor that scientists engineer to help T-cells, the immune system's warriors, specifically recognize and destroy cancer cells. In this therapy, we reprogram a patient's own T-cells by introducing a new receptor that can target a specific protein on cancer cells, turning their immune cells into potent cancer-killing machines. Segment 2. Why CD19 and what makes it special? So, why CD19? CD19 is a protein found on the surface of most B cells, including B-cell cancers like leukemia and lymphoma. By targeting CD19, CAR T-cells can hone in on these cancerous B cells and eliminate them while leaving other cells untouched. This precision makes CD19 CAR T-cell therapy especially effective for blood cancers, which were once nearly impossible to treat in late stages. Segment 3. How does the therapy work? Step-by-step process. Now let's walk through the process of CD19 CAR T-cell therapy. It's a fascinating multi-step procedure. Here's how it works. Step 1. Collecting T-cells. Blood is drawn from the patient in a process called leukapheresis, which separates T-cells from the rest of the blood. These T-cells are then sent to a lab where the magic begins. Step 2. Genetic engineering. In the lab, scientists introduce a gene into the T-cells using a virus, which programs them to produce the chimeric antigen receptor. This receptor is like a GPS that guides the T-cells directly to the cancer cells. Step 3. Expansion. The engineered T-cells are then multiplied in the lab to create millions of cancer-fighting cells. Step 4. Infusion. The patient undergoes chemotherapy to clear out some of their existing immune cells, creating space for the CAR T-cells. The engineered T-cells are then infused back into the patient's bloodstream. Step 5. Cancer destruction. Once in the body, these CAR T-cells seek out and destroy cancer cells expressing CD19. Segment 4. Success stories and impact. The results of CD19 CAR T-cell therapy have been nothing short of extraordinary. Patients with advanced leukemia and lymphoma, many of whom had no other treatment options, have experienced complete remission. This therapy has changed lives, offering hope where there was none. It's even been called a miracle therapy by some doctors and patients. Segment 5. Challenges and limitations. Of course, like any medical innovation, CAR T-cell therapy comes with its challenges. 1. Side effects. Severe immune reactions, like cytokine release syndrome, CRS, can occur. 2. High costs. The therapy is expensive, with costs often exceeding $350,000 per treatment. While these challenges are significant, ongoing research aims to refine the therapy to make it safer, more effective, and more affordable. Segment 6. Michel Sadelain and the concept of living drugs. We can't talk about CAR T-cell therapy without acknowledging Dr. Michel Sadelain, one of the pioneers in this field. He coined the term living drugs to describe how these engineered T-cells act like a living, self-replicating medication. His work laid the foundation for the development of CAR T-cell therapies, transforming science fiction into reality. Segment 7. The future of CAR T-cell therapy. So, what's next for CAR T-cell therapy? Researchers are now exploring ways to expand this technology to solid tumors, autoimmune diseases, and even infectious diseases. By enhancing the technology and overcoming current limitations, CAR T-cell therapy could soon become a universal tool in medicine. Conclusion. A new era in cancer treatment. CD19 CAR T-cell therapy is more than a medical breakthrough, it's a testament to what's possible when science, technology, and innovation come together. Inspired by Michel Sadelain's vision of living drugs, this therapy is revolutionizing the fight against cancer and offering hope to millions. Thank you for joining us today on this incredible journey into the world of CAR T-cell therapy. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more science and medical breakthroughs. Together, let's continue exploring the future of healthcare.